Hello guys, today I'm going to explain one real-time problem in Excel that is regarding to how to change time zone if the given time zone in text format. See, this is the uh, real times that I got from one of my friend. So he asked me to how to change this time formats. That means these are in some other time zone. We have to change it in our time zone or else given time zone. See, this is here GMT plus 530 means it is IST. So we have to convert this time to up to the GMT plus 530 or else any given time zone. So this is a problem statement, but entire this is in text format. So we have to change this date into the our given time zone with timestamp, that too in date value format. So this is the problem statement. So here I have found solution how to do, but meanwhile I want to explain there are so many methods we can do it, but I found one method that is feasible for me, and you may comment below what are the methods you will follow. Okay, so first of all, this is the given time zone timestamps with along with converted time zones. So first of all, we will go for text to columns method, but I thought that is not a perfect method to do this. So, however, we will do once. See, we will do once fixed width. Based on fixed width, we can do this, and based on delimiter we can't do. There are so many delimiters are there, plus and comma, and if you do based on delimiter we will lose timestamp. See here, I will do once with delimiter. If I comma here, this this is if I use comma delimiter, see here, if I use the comma as a delimiter, but our time separate into some other column, so next column. So but I don't want to make it is like this. I want to be my timestamp with along with date also. So this is not a feasible method. I think this is not a correct method. So I will go back and use my method. How to do that? I I use find and left method to extract date along with timestamp. So please see once how I am doing here. So first we will find how to do that. I want up to the timestamp. See here, 19 September 2021 1734. I want the total text up to 1734. See, so for that I want to extract this time up to this. For that I used, first we have to find G. Here common G is there. From G we will extract, from G to the left of the G we will extract everything, the left of the G. So I will use just find column, find formula, find what is the letter G. G. Okay, in which text? This is the text, so we will use total row wise we have to variable. So see, so G is the 21st letter in this entire text. See here, this is G is the 21st letter. So but it is given me only the place of the G. So but I want entire text left of the G. So I want to know, I use left method, left formula, use left. So from which text we are extracting, we have to select that this one, and give absolute references. Okay, fine. So this is, it displays only the position of G letter. I don't want the G letter also, I just want left of the G, so I just minus, I will just do -1. See here, yes, see I got this, see, and I've left of the G, total left of the G I got here. Okay, we will do expand the columns. See, the B column 19th September 2021, 1734, up to 1734 we got this. Okay, so but here there is some another problem, that is in the timestamp there is a comma in our text, so this is not desirable format, so we have to eliminate this. Here we use text columns method to eliminate comma by using delimiter method. So go to data tab and text to columns. Here use text to, oh so sorry, before that, this is in formula, so we need to convert into values. Just copy all the values. Okay, and go to special paste. Okay, and paste special only values. Okay, now all it will convert into values. See here, earlier it is in the formula, now it is in values. Okay, now we will convert, that means we will eliminate comma here. Okay, go to text to columns and use delimiter method, uh, and comma. Okay, comma, and we will keep it in text, not general. General means it will convert time in as a time format, so it is not desirable format. Keep all in text format. Later we will do concatenate, and all those things together we will convert into date format. Okay, this comma, and see this, only this column will convert into text, and this column also we have to convert into text. Okay, now convert, finish. Yeah, now comma is eliminated. Okay, comma is eliminated. See here, this is date, and this is timestamp. Okay, now what we have to do, now we have to combine these two. So here we will do that, combine, concatenate, concatenate this one and this one. Okay, what we will do, okay, yes, we have added, and here also we will eliminate formula and copy all and go to special paste, special paste, convert into values. Okay, see here it is value now, and here what is our desirable, we have to, yeah, now we have converted into, it is a now timestamp, but it is in the text format. Still it is not a date, in not date format or in a timestamp format, but it is a string like text, so we need to convert into uh, just go here to here, short date or long date, keep this like this. Okay, all this, see here all are. So now what is our desirable is, now uh, we need to convert this date into the given time zones. So plus 530 we have to add here, and plus 330 we have to add here. So now these are all unnecessary columns, so we need to, we will delete this these two columns. Okay, so now what we will do, we will, by using text to columns, we will separate this, whatever the required time zones we have to convert, we will do based on text to columns method. Here text to columns delimiter method, next, and instead of comma use other and give plus. Okay, see here, Here also same method we will do the based on text. See here also text. Okay, finish. And here also, here we got t, so just we need to just sample this. Also we will do like this, text to columns, delimiter. Next, instead of colon, uh, okay, text, and this also text, finish, and convert this in as a number. Okay, for this we have to add these hours. Okay, now we will do to this one plus time, so we will add this hour and this minutes and 0 second everywhere. See here. Okay, now just we will convert into other format. Timestamp will keep. See, it is here 20th September, but here it is 21st September. Okay, this is how it is converted. So this is the format we have to convert the text dates into the given time zones. That's it.